I said it here the other day, Governor. My disagreement, I really like you. You are really a very nice guy. Lakini wono kuikasa chinde usoko basoka. Wono mwatanga ngaza chino monda ko enda bantu enkora matuli. Lakini ya tata Onyonka no na matanga taliko genda tabuati kindi. Incheka kyumuhaga yani. I mean so, but we have never really hated each other. I will speak very shortly, very, very briefly. First of all, I want to say thank you, all of you, for having come and for a support Muaire family. I think many of you know that my mother's story, as I've been saying, is a very interesting story because I spent a lot of time with her alone before so we were always together in the room. She would always take me to school natama. My auntie or Jokondera, and then when my auntie told me nyomba ganza kwende school for class 3, ngatama ko nyomba ngaenda class 3. It's a very interesting life. Now, when I was called and received a message that Governor Simba is coming, I said, I have no problem. The truth is, many of you, Murega, who are really close with Governor Simba and have worked with him for the last 4 years, you are not close. There is nobody who spent his time with Governor Simba for 2.5 years. So I know him well, I understand him well. Lakini nende buno roje za chinde na boko oramagena liobegete meso kuyi bitungo na mabuto ko karanga amagena ali agunzateka bono za chinde ko karanga bitungo byoka na ndo be laki otu ale nyanya na bokoliki okolia ka chumbali no bukima. Number 2, Simba knew my mother because my mother was very interesting. When she found that in Chennai we are disagreeing, she didn't want to ask me why I was disagreeing. That's why she kept on looking for you. And no, I'm looking for you because she just wanted you to spend some time with her so that maybe she would understand and maybe she would suggest what was happening. Number 3, I said it here the other day, Governor. My disagreement, I really like you. You are really a very nice guy. Lakini wono kuikasa chinde usoko basoka. Wono mwatanga ngaza chino monda ko enda bantu enkora matuli. Lakini ya tata Onyonka no na matanga taliko genda tabuati kindi. Incheka kyumuhaga yani. I mean so, but we have never really hated each other. I can also say here, so it's difficult for me to manage you. Why? Bono na tigirundi na ekarandi ingo. Ngalenga na kulira. Aya kibagendi. Ngalenga umuntu na mulira. Umuzenga tata inchutuliga ni Bas, I hear you. Number 3, the attitude that not the attitude, the feeling in that yasira has again changed me. I am tinigota kasiase esabantu bakomana bakuruana manyinga goite. I'm really scared of that. And my mother was very, very particular because there are things Catholic and Manganande. So I am so happy to hear Kibagendi say what he has said. It is the same thing Osoro said here. Can we go to a new Monginoyo like somebody who was dignified? Tuesike. Tokuwa neji point. Gavana tingo wana siasa ituke. No nye one time tingwaka. Omondo ja waka one time mbabu wino. Amanya kwa era lisifuna no rojirende timu ya eri njaro tingo kwana. But I want to say thank you, all of you. We will receive all people. We are receiving the government side, we are receiving the opposition side, we are receiving ODM, I want to say thank you so much. And I am, you see, when you lose somebody, especially now that I've lost my mother, I go through this emotion. You may not notice it. Sometimes I break down and calm down and go and see it, and then after that, I would want to have my mother buried with dignity, because Kenyans, I didn't know. So it's an honor, and it's not an honor to me, it's an honor of the Kisi community. Generally, nekere tulio buchinga bogo ikatwanya koramana muisho lio soro and everything baba all my brother nto koramonde this time inchu mutu ake biboko lakini na inu moto eliva ga tosibi tosoke tokateba. That is the policy. So I want to say thank you all. I am so happy to see all. This is the first time I think I've met nearly all the MCS together. Obebo, this is the first time we met actually in a single function where you are with governor. This is Oyonde speaker. Speaker my the nice agenda wabe Kevin Temens bia. Omondo nero tu alego ja kulia mali monere. Tamation the moya no ere muina ji bedroom 99. Adero alenza. Inumo korwa mo yakoli neroli etaigo akakoli nkale go jamo so emwai. Even known that in Kolibale, but they have carried themselves with so much dignity. Actually, I have so much respect for both of them. Normally, my dad and the Bago is good when you wait and him. I don't want to chinga, but they've really carried themselves with dignity. He is.
Naigule Senate. Thank you. Therefore, good people.